Howdy all. Today is all about creating chords to our existing rhythm section track. At the moment we've got bass drum, snare drum, hats and a bass line, electric bass. So everything that we've done in these last couple of lessons on this YouTube channel has been about building on the skills that we've done in the previous lesson. So for instance, in the original track we just recorded a bass drum, and a snare drum and hi-hats. Then we edited those, we quantized them with the quantize function. Then we were able to use the loop function to extend those, and then we created a bass line. Okay, and with our bass line we then copied it and pasted it, changed the pitch, and then joined those regions together. So we've got a bit of information now, and we've been able to apply that to different instruments as we go. Today is just on the same track. We're using the information that we had with our bass line, and we're going to create some chords. So let's get on to it. The first thing that we need to do is to create a new track. Now the way I do that is just by going Command D. It duplicates our bass line, but then we can go over here and change that to a piano. Easy done. Alright, 2 clicks and we're there. Now the next step I'm going to show you is about creating our region. Now everything that we've done beforehand, we've pretty much just created with the musical typing keyboard. We're not going to use that today. We're going to go straight to the piano roll editor, which is a powerful little editor, and get that information done. So the way we do this is we just hover into the first bar, and notice what happens when I press Command. We get a pencil. Check that out. So if I hold down Command and I click, I get an empty region. Alright, and you know that when we double click on a region, we get the piano roll editor. Bang, awesome. So the first thing that we need to do is to create what's called a triad. Now the triad is the first, third and fifth degrees on a scale. So a triad on, say the first 5 notes of the C major scale are C, D, E, F and G, and I'm just going to use 1, 3, 5. C, 2, E, 4, G. Okay, so just the same way we created our region, when we pop down here and press Command, we get the pencil. So let's line up bar 1 and find C, and now I'm going to go right onto the first beat of the C, the C major chord here, and press Command. There it is, C, and I can do that again. Oh, that note's wrong. Okay, but that's not easy fix. I've gone from E flat to E natural. Okay, so when we hear this, okay, just like we did with the bass line, we can pretty much just copy and paste those now, because we're just going to use 1 chord per bar in this example. So if I was to go click on there, Command C to copy, and I've set my locator to bar 2, I can just go copy, 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 and I've got 4 bars of C now. Pretty cool. But just as we did with the bass line, we want to change the pitch of these triads. Okay, so they follow the chords of our 4-chord song. So why don't we do that now? I'm going to lasso with the lasso function, just clicking it here and selecting all 3 of those notes. I'm going to the bottom of those, and I want a G triad. So I'm going to press down here. Notice that the word pitch comes up with C3. I'm going to take it up to G3. Okay, and I'm going to go here to our 4th chord and change that, click on the bottom and change it to an F. Okay, so I'm just altering the pitch, not the actual location of where that chord occurs on the timeline. Now, if we have a listen to that, okay, I'm going to change my 3rd chord now. The reason I've done that is that we have to alter the pitch of one of the notes. So firstly, let's lasso all of those, and then we're going to take our C there and take it up to an A, which is the 6th chord. Now, this is where we're going to hit a bit of a hitch, guys. If we listen to it, okay, it sounds a little bit funny because the third chord is actually an A minor chord, where all of our chords here, here, and here have been major chords. So it is the third in a triad that makes it major or minor, and we need to take our third down a semitone. So we need to go down from C sharp, see how it says C sharp 4, we need to go to C4. Right, so just clicking on that one note there, we're able to alter the pitch. It doesn't change all the other notes because we've just selected that one note. Now, if we listen to everything here, we should be pretty happy. Awesome. Okay, that's what I want. So now I'm going to, in order to let me loop these regions, remember the loop's an echo, and if I just did that, it would be the F chord forever. So I need to join these together, and we learnt how to do that in the third lesson. If we go and lasso all of those, go up to Edit, and say Join Regions, or Command J, we will get our 4 chords, and then we can loop these for as long as we like. Pretty cool. Okay, so there's my 12 bars, let's make it 16 bars. And you've pretty much got a chorus to your classic 4 chord song. Okay, thanks very much.